Hello viewers, welcome to my another video. Today, I will show how to take full page screenshot on your iPhone or iPad. The process is fairly easy and not that hard to get. Follow the step-by-step instructions to take full page screenshots in iOS 13 or later on your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Navigate to a web page that you wish to capture. Step 2. Take a screenshot like you normally would. Press the power button and volume up button for devices with Face ID. Devices that do not have Face ID can perform the power button plus home button. Step 3. Open the screenshot preview, and then tap on full page option situated at the top portion of the preview page. Step 4. Tap in the Done button and that's all. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Apple Info and get more videos. Thanks for watching.